Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold.
Yo, what's up everybody? How's it going? What's going on? Another day. Another day. Let's get after it. Let's see if we can get a trade here today. Let's see what we can do here today. Look over here at gold. NQ. There it goes, going up, going up, going up. Gonna wait on some shorts on the NQ. Gonna wait on some NQ shorts. That's what I'm waiting on. But we may not get shorts today. I mean, it could just go up all day long, honestly. We will see what we get here. Let's just see. Look at gold here. Look at Goldilocks. How's everybody doing today? Everybody up and ready for the day? Ready to try to make a little bit of money? Gonna take some good positions. How did everyone do yesterday? Everybody have a good day yesterday? Look at the NQ flying up here, man. So hang on, I gotta fix this. There's a watermark on here, man. I gotta take this watermark off somehow. There we go. Watermark gone. Now, let's mark out an area of some resistance right here. Somewhere right in there. Somewhere, could be somewhere right in around. Somewhere around there. NQ working up this trend line here, just going on up. See if we can hit an area of turnaround. See if we can get in a position today. What do we got over here? Uh-oh, what's going on here? What's going on gold here? It's gold getting ready to come down. Gold might want to come up here though. Let's mark out some levels on gold. Let's mark out some. Yep, we got some levels right over in here. Right here. Around right in there. Bang and bang, bing and bang right there. Got a lot of lines on the charts right here. Breaking out of this, looking like it's ready to go up a little bit. Delete this and adjust this. Got some longer term lines here. Yellow line. I'll delete the green line. All right, looking good here. Let me make these kind of like two. All right. Come over here. All right, let's see if we can get something on NQ right here. Coming up, coming up. NQ just coming right on up. Got me a new phone yesterday. Good morning. Oh, dude, my chat's not working over here. That's why I couldn't see. Good morning, everybody. I see the chat on my phone now, but it's not it's not on it's not working on my software. Let me see if I can get it working. There we go. And now I got it. I was wondering. I was like, man, nobody wants to talk today. What's up, Coffee Killer? What's up, Gray? Some news dropping this morning should give some volume. Heck yeah. Let's get that money. Let's get it, brother. Let's go. What time's news dropping? Let me go check. Let me check the Discord. I did get a new phone though. So let's go. Only thing that sucks about a new phone is you have to set everything up. Kind of sucks. I haven't even set everything up yet. Yeah, news at 3:30 for Euro. BRICS Summit at 4:15 for all, it says. 4:30 PMI on a GBP. Let's just get it here. How high are we gonna go here? We just broke above this. We're hitting some, I'd say some resistance, probably. Gonna hit some resistance right in this area, right around now. May try to come down a little bit, but we just broke out of this. So it may just keep on coming up till right in here. We did hit off of this. So we got this upward LOC right here, came down, tapped it, and now it's going back up. So I wonder if it's going to go all the way up there. Let's see here though, we might be getting in a short. Might be breaking out of here. Got a volume imbalance right here, so I may wait on it. Red. Red. Save that. I wonder if it's going to come up. Take this out before I can enter short. So I kind of want to enter short. Look at gold. Kind of ranging around here though. Gold is kind of ranging. Let's see if the NQ can come up and get this volume imbalance. But it may just go down. All right, let's see. Zen? Nah, I don't use Zen. All right, we broke back. We broke under this. Let's see if we're gonna retest it and fall off here, hopefully. Or if we're just gonna keep on going up. See if we're gonna have to close this trade. May have to close it. Could just keep on going up, but started the break below here. So see if we can get a little dumpage. See if we can get a little bit of dumpage. All right, now we got a little bit of lineage here. Let's see, can we dump it now? Come on, dump it. Come on, man, dump it. Is this a live account? No, this is a prop. These are prop firm accounts. So I basically try to make profit target, and if I make the profit targets on them, then I can withdraw. So that's what these accounts are. Let's see if we can do something here, man. Do 5-minute candle opening here in 2 minutes. Might have to close it. If it starts breaking above this pink line here, I may just close it. Breaks above that pink line there, we may just start going up. May have to look for a different place to enter. So this is kind of my line now. If we start breaking above this, we may have to reevaluate. See if we can start coming down here, man. All right, we just tapped that line. We start closing above that line. We do have a volume imbalance, so I believe we'd come back down. See if we're gonna close up above this or not. Starting to really come up now. Got a volume imbalance right here, so should come back down at some point to come get that. We'll see. Should come back down to get this in balance. Should have just closed it right there just to be safe, but whatever. 2400? Oh yeah, probably. Probably. We'll hold it a little bit. Because it's still under this line right here, so let's see if we can, especially with this volume imbalance right here, should come back down at some point and come get this. Then if we close back down, should start to come down. Probably just entered a little bit early. There it is, coming back to get that volume imbalance. Could have just been faking some people out. Let's see how it reacts right here. Just got that imbalance. Is it going to keep on going up now? Just retesting the break of this line and just going to go up now? Or is it going to come back down? So got this imbalance right here. Did it just fake some people out, come back, take out some stops, or is it just going to keep on going up now? Looks like it might just keep on going up. Yeah, looking kind of bullish, I'd say. Let's take a look at gold here. Take a look at this new 5 minute. 5 minute has a volume imbalance. Could just be making a new, less steep trend to keep continuing up. Let's see what happens. New 5 minute right here. Got a little volume imbalance on the last 5 minute there. Could just keep on coming up. Entered early on this, so let's just see. I want to look at gold for a little bit. Oh yeah, look at gold. Gold was the play. Dropped out of here, dropping down now. Gold was the move, it looks like. Okay, we got a new little line here. Let's see if we can break out of this at some point. Riding up this line right here now. Break out of there, we might start coming down a little bit. Good morning, Claudine. How's it going? We're sitting in some drawdown right here. Liquidity at 400, yeah. That's what I'm hearing. That's what I'm hearing. Probably gonna go up there. We'll see. We might just get squeezed right out of this trade. What it's looking like. See if we can break down and come down a little bit. We got some LR right here. So if it starts breaking down, it'll run this. Should run it pretty fast. So we'll see. Got some LR. So if it starts breaking under here, it should come down here pretty quickly. But it may just keep on grinding its way up. May just grind on up there. Check out this 1 hour right here. A big old 1 hour. That's a big old 1 hour candle right there. Yeah, we're just coming up here. Let's see if we can get this run down here. Let's just see where these other levels are. The New York 1 hour. How high? There's the New York. All right, let's start breaking down here, man. See if we can break down here. You just got 2 kittens. Let's go. What are you going to name them? What are you going to name the kittens? Oh, man. What's up, Job? I've been trading since 2018, buddy. Been trading since 2018. Look at this from a 5-minute standpoint here. Move this right over in here. Is it just consolidating to continue the drive up here, or is it going to come down for us? Got a new 1 hour and minute here. 6 seconds, 5. Yeah, 1 minute's barcoding. See if we can start to drive down here. If we come down, I'm going to move my stops to break even pretty early. I'm not even going to lie. See if we can come down, kind of give it a little sweep here. Maybe sweep down here. Or is it just making a bottom wick for the 1 hour? That's what we have to look at here. Making a bottom wick for the 1 hour to continue up. Is that what it's doing? To spring it up here. Take all this into account here. See if we can kind of hold this steep line downward here. Make a sharp move down would look nice, but Mark thinks we're gonna hit the top up here. Let's see. See if we can come down a little bit. I took it right here, so it broke out of this. Then it started to come up and retest, and that's when I took it. Broke out of this trend line right here. Made this sharp trend up. Broke out of it, came up. I was thinking I was going to retest it a little bit, and then I took the trade to go short right there. And it just started kind of climbing back up right now, starting to come back down. Let's see if we can start to make a little run down, man. That would look nice. At least down into here, man. I'm thinking take some of this liquidity if it is going to go back up. Take some of this before it makes its move up. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. So it did just come down and hit this right here. See if we continue up right here. 45 would be something like this. No bottom wicks on the, oh, it's just coming up now. Yeah. I don't think this looks good for the downside, but whatever. Springing up here. Used our entry as support. Let's see, maybe it'll start doing something like this, hopefully. At least we got a nice trend line now. We got a nice trend line. If it starts breaking out of there, then we know it's looking rough. Oh, there it goes. It might be starting to break out of here. Come on, use this as resistance to go down. Make this the true trend line, the true downward trend line. Come on. Just kind of ranging, not really in a good spot here. Could just go up now. Yeah, here it goes. LOC stands for line of change. See if we come grab some of this down here. Grab some of this before going up, at least. See if it grabs some of this before wanting to spring up. If it does want to go up, I mean, we'll see. When we come down here, if we come down here, I'm gonna move the stops to break even pretty fast. Let's see. Can we do it? Can we do it here? Can we make the move down? Can we make the move down? Comes down and almost immediately shoots back up here. Down 87 and then 263 on both of those accounts. Let's see if we can make a move down, get these back into some profit lands a little bit. I've used almost all of them, man. I started with Apex, made 30K from Apex. Then I went to Fast Track. I made 24K from Fast Track. And then I just made 8K from Tradeify. Trying to get over to make some more. We'll see. Come on. Shoot it down. Looking, wanting it to come down here. It's shooting up though. It's using our line as support, which you hate to see. Using our entry as support. Can we break? 50Ks and Apex, I had two 250Ks. But on Fast Track, I had 150Ks, 150Ks. There's no point in having these lines. We're really just in a range. Just in a range right here, dude. See if it's gonna break out upward now. Yeah. 30K was from two 50Ks and two 250Ks. That was what the 30K was from. Well, looks like we entered in a chop session here, so that's never good to see when you're chopping around. Look at gold, man. Everything's chopping this morning. Gold looked like it was gonna break down, and now it's coming back up, and the chopping around. Came down, kind of hit this trend. Coming up here, coming up, breaking up, flying up. I trade them both. I trade it in the New York session too. Looks like I'm gonna have to trade it during New York session today. Looks like I'm gonna have to trade it today. I might take a loss here. So I might have to trade it and try to get that back. If we take a loss on here, hopefully that's just grabbing the liquidity to come down here though. Probably not, but maybe coming up to 400 like everybody's saying. A lot of orders at 400. Looks like we're going to continue going up here. We may just be making a new line here on the 5 minute just to continue going up. Possibly. Could just be something like that. Kind of rolled over just to tap this and keep on going up. See that a lot of times. Looks like we might be getting stopped out here. Might be getting stopped out. Unless we have a sharp downward candle right here. Might be getting stopped out. Let me put my line back so I can have it for. Sorry. Trying to put my line back. Here we go. Now I'll just draw a new line. I'll just draw a new line so I'll have that as reference for when I journal the trade here. Because this is I'm gonna have to journal this trade. Breaking up here. Looks like we're coming up here to 400 like everybody said. Looks like we're gonna go up there. We're in an upward trend here. I tried a short. It's not playing out. see what I could have done different here. Guess I could have, we're in an uptrend. We broke out of this, but I guess I could have, that was a steep one, so I guess I could have drawn a downward line here, and then when we broke above that, I could have entered a long. Bada bing, bada boom. We gotta come down and tap off of this trend line, and what's gonna happen here? What's gonna happen? We're in deep, deep drawdown. Trend is up here. Might be going up here to 418. It looks like we could be going up there. 418. Oh, I like Tradeify. It's been great so far. Experience with Tradeify has been awesome. It's been awesome. Very quick payout. Man, can't beat it. My experience with Tradeify, it's been amazing. Oh yeah, I mean, everything's been good with me so far. I mean, straightforward rules. I got paid out in 13 minutes after request, so can't beat that. Start shorting 582 on SPY. Looks like we're coming, just chopping our way up here. Looks like we're just going to continue coming up. Might come all the way up here to around this line here, and there it is. There it is. Out of there. Ah. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Well, I usually have safety lines, but on this one I don't really have a safety line because there's no downtrend close, and that's what I messed up on this time. I should have waited for a safety line, but I didn't have one. The next safety line I have is all the way up here, this pink line, and I didn't have that. So I didn't wait on that. So that's the problem I had in this trade right here. because then I don't know exactly when I should get out if I don't have that safety line. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking to exit here soon. Be looking to exit here soon. The stop loss is gonna be at 1500. Hard stop. But basically our trade stop loss is gone. We're feeling all the FVGs from previous days' lows. Let's see. Yeah. Close above here on this 5-minute. Yeah. Not looking good here. Continue to drive up. Oh yeah. This thing is just gonna keep running. Should have been smarter about this play. I mean, I had opportunities to get out multiple times. Right here, could have got out. And then just bang, just spin up ever since. Let's come check out. Let's check this out here. Oh yeah, here we go. Wow. Might hit the daily loss. Well, there's the 400. Can we turn around here? Oh boy, yeah. I'm not ready for a live account. That's for sure. Glad I'm trading prop firms. Glad I am trading prop firms, not ready for a live account at all. So that's clearly showing here today. Clearly showing. Can't take a stop out. Just back to the same old ways where that one day can't take a stop. You're not ready for live. That's for sure. Yeah, guys, if you want me to be honest with you, I just don't want to take the stop out. So I was so close to payout and I did not want to lose this trade. So that's why I didn't stop out. And now we're just eating it. We're just praying it comes down. But this is the kind of days it won't do it. I was literally just wanting it to come down so I could request a payout on stream, and it's not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen today, boys. I mean, this is not how you want to trade, honestly. This is just not good trading on any way, any form of anything. I mean, I should have waited for here to take a short This looks like it could be a nice short. So this is probably where I should have waited to take a short. See if we get lucky here and it comes all the way back down. If we get some sort of miracle. Yeah, if you guys want me to be honest, this is just bad trading on my part. And it's bad trading. This is just bad trading right here, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Should have been better. I should have taken a stop out, and instead, I should have taken a stop and then taken this short. And then that's, I mean, bang, right there, you'd have your money back. But yeah, what I would have done differently is, so when I entered here, I should have, be completely honest, when I entered right here and it started making this downward move, put my downward line right there. And as soon as we started breaking above this downward line, I should have closed the trade. That should have been the close of the trade right here. Because that's the model. That's my model. That's what I do. Comes down, and then it retested up here, started coming back down. There's my next point. So then bang, as soon as it started breaking above here, I should have closed the trade. But I didn't do that. And then I was sitting, and then it even gave me another opportunity to close it at break even right here. I didn't take that. And then from there, just shot up, and I've just been holding, hoping it comes back down. So, and then if I would have closed it here, I had multiple other opportunities to enter trades. Like here, I could have entered here or here, and then we'd be in profit. But I did not take the stop out. Yeah, I have a journal. I journal it after every trade. So after this trade gets done, I'm going to take a screenshot, and I'm going to really beat myself up about this trade. Gonna really beat myself up about this one. But yeah, it's all psychology, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's probably gonna come up. We have an imbalance here. It's probably gonna come up there. But I mean, technically, this is a short entry right here. Broke below here. Need it to come up and make sort of something like. I need another touch point. I don't really have a good touch point to. Don't really have a good touch point here. So let me see if there's degrees on here. Angle. About a 45 is usually a good angle. Well, I guess it changes when whatever, the angle is not right. see if it comes up and makes a touch point for us. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's gonna come up here. Got a volume imbalance right here. Probably gonna come on take. All right. Think this is a strat trade. What's that mean? All right, I'm gonna go get some coffee, man. I'm gonna go get some coffee, get my mind back right, and I'll be right back. I need some coffee. Get my mind right. All right, what's up here, boys? What's going on? I think we can start coming down here, maybe. We just did an inversion right here. Don't know. We just had an inversion right here, so that's always a good sign. But we got a long way down to go, boys. Just broke this low. An inversion. So it's basically an ICT strategy. So this is called a fair value gap on an ICT strategy, where this wick and the first candle and the third candle's wicks don't touch. So then ICTers, when it comes back down to this gap, they'll take it along right there. They would have taken along. And if it closes below that, that's called an inversion, and it should come down. It should at least come down to the next low, which it did. And then there you would put your stop to break even in hopes that it keeps coming down. But it looks like this one. So at least now we've got a downward line here to follow. So gonna have a lot of information to put in my journal on this trade. Ay, ay, ay. We'll keep the inversion there just to see what happens. See, so that's an inversion. Just came back up to retest that inversion. Maybe it'll drop down now. Or if it'll keep going up. I do feel like if we start coming down, we can come down pretty far, but it's just about timing that win. Not asking questions and not causing drama. What's that mean, Nao? You can still break even. Let's see. Hopefully we can. Hopefully it'll hold this downward trend line right here and just keep on coming down to at least this green line right here. That's what I'm hoping, but we'll see, man. I'm honestly just hurt about this trade. I can't believe it, man. I should be in a whole separate trade right here in profit right now, but that's just the thing I'm most upset with about. I'm upset on myself about, but it's what it is. It is what it is. Looks like we might just continue to go up here. Looks like we might just continue to go up here, maybe. I bet there is a higher time frame fair value gap. Yeah, right here. This 5 minute, if we can get a 5 minute to close below here, we can get a 5-minute to close below here, it'll look good. But there's a new 5-minute right here. We need a new 5-minute to close below that green line to be looking good. If not, it's just going to continue to go up, probably. Like it might be getting ready to break out of this line. Come on, break it down for us. Bring it down. Come on. Come on, run it. Run it down. Update this line right here. This 5-minute can close. If this 5-minute in 4 minutes closes above this green line, I say we look good to go down. Run it down. Give us some luck here. And then I can journal this trade and say how terrible I did. And we should be in profit for the day. Look at this. If we would have taken this short here, closed this one here, taken the short here, profit for the day. Just, it's crazy what, like, if you follow your strategy, you actually make money. But for some reason, we talk ourselves into bad stuff, you know? We talk ourselves into losing, basically. It's crazy how that happens. Like, if I just follow my strategy, if I just follow my strategy and I get out right here when this downward line breaks, you know, downward line breaks, I get out, small loser, wait on a good trade, here's a line, even here or here, either one I take, and I'm in profit now. Just that, it's that easy, you know. Seems it's easy in hindsight, you know. Easy in hindsight, but you know, that's just how it goes. Yeah, sorry about this trade, guys. I really am. I'm sorry. I should be performing better, especially on stream, but this stream is just to show my journey. It's not for anybody to, you know, copy my trades or anything. I'm not saying that I'm a great trader or anything, you know. I'm not telling you to copy my trades, but I'm sorry that I should have been better. I'm only making this YouTube so I can look back on it in the future, and you know, I think it's just cool, man. It's cool to be able to have something where you can look back and see what you did. So that's the only reason I have this YouTube anyway, is to just track my journey. So if you think this is some signal channel or something, yeah, coffee killer. I'm just letting like people know, like, yeah, this was an off day for sure. You know what I think it was? Let me tell you what I think it really was. My girlfriend wanted me to stay the night with her last night, and that's exactly what it was. I didn't get a good night's sleep in my own bed. I didn't get a good night's sleep in my own bed, and I had to go stay at her bed. I had to sleep in her bed, and that's what it was. It really, man, got me. It got me. It really got me. That's right. That's right, Coffee Killer. You got it. Dude, I love that name, by the way, Coffee Killer. How awesome is that? I'm a coffee killer. I don't know, man, 5 cups, 6 cups a day of coffee. I drink them all. I drink coffee all day long. That's exactly what I'm saying, coffee. That it messed me up here. Look at here, man. We are. Come on down here, buddy. Let me make a new line. Look at here. Okay, buddy, we got lucky. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Looky there. It came all the way back down for us when we got lucky. This was not a good trade at all. We got lucky. Plain and simple. We got lucky. We got lucky today, boys. You know, and I should have still been in this until this trend line breaks, but I'm just over this trade, so I close it. I'm over the trade, so I closed it. And that's what it is right there. Got a lot of journaling to do on this one here. Look at all these lines we got to journal. So let me see. Let me add these up and put the total there. So here we go. 237.96. Plus 80. 635.24. 635.24. And right line text plus 635.24. Heck yeah, coffee. What do you have a strategy you use, coffee, to trade? Didn't I meet you in the fast track Discord? I was live streaming in there or something. Isn't that where it was? Yeah. Dude, I was sweet. Heck yeah. Yeah, and that's what it should be. That's the same thing I do with other, uh, that's how it should be. I just like hanging out and enjoying the community, man. Let me take a picture of this. Bang. And I might actually just start making some notes here. I need a better arrow here. Yeah. It's gonna show you how I'm gonna journal this thing here. Bang. Bang. Did you request payout? I see you held into profit. No, I'm not at the payout level yet. Well, let me see. Well, I am actually 52,644. On Tradeify, I have to wait until the first of the month. And then on Profit Trade, I think I can request a payout, but I'm about to have to go walk with my mom at 5, so I'm going to make a video on it later. I'm just going to make a video and post it of me requesting a payout. Yeah, coffee. Yeah, I get a lot of people saying that about the Discord. I got imposter, so I'm gonna see if I can find a fix for that today. I think there's a way I can like block people with the same name as me, and I'm gonna look up a YouTube video on that because a lot of people have been telling me they've been getting fake friend requests from me. But yeah, as soon as I get back from this walk, I'm going to see if I can find a fix for the Discord. I'm gonna put a reminder in my phone because I need to fix that for real. New reminder. Fix Discord. Fix Discord imposters. Bang, okay. Let's go, Mark. Nice job, buddy. Should have exited. Trade here. Should have exited the trade there. Could have re-entered here. All right. And then put this here. Bad trade. All right. And that's basically how I'm going to journal. That's how I'm going to journal. That's how I'm going to journal this trade. Download that. And then bang. That's how it is. And then I'm just going to clear all of this and start fresh. Just going to start fresh. But look at there. It ended up coming down. Look at this. Bang. Look at that down. See, that's what we were waiting on. We just entered early. And if we would have waited right here, we could have called this whole move. But yeah. So I'm going to get ready to go on this walk. And thanks everybody for hanging out. And yeah. Thanks. Yeah, I got all these tattoos. Sometimes I don't really like them. I wish I wouldn't have got them, but yeah, appreciate it. But yeah, hope everybody enjoyed this stream and saw me losing. But I guess it happens. It's a learning experience. I'm learning. All right. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you later. Peace out.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every blade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go